Yeah.
Since I wasn't here at the beginning of the introduction, so you do the planning for, like, if on title there's a husband and wife who holds title, then he is on loan and she's not. She's just on title. But if she wants to have him excluded from the holding title, is that possible?
It's possible. He would have to sign off on that. But if the property is in California, that doesn't avoid community property issues. It's still California. So I don't know if you're familiar with the term community property. So basically, any property that's acquired during marriage is assumed to be community property, split 50-50 between the wife. So generally, title will control. So they'll look at title first and who owns it. But then one party can say, oh, no, we bought it during marriage. So it's technically 50-50. But in that scenario, what you asked, yeah, obviously you need the husband to say, okay, sign off. But yes, it's possible.
But then is it possible for him to sign off and saying that she has the whole property? Would that be possible?
As separate property? Like, okay. I think I get what you're getting at. So one is like, you can...
So he's just basically on loan because he's qualified to purchase the home. But then he's just there because he qualifies for the loan.
Okay.
So,
but she makes all the payments.
She makes all the payments.
Okay.
And then she has the down payments as
Yeah.
well.
So what if the parties agree that the property is hers, and if she dies, it doesn't go to him, it would go to whoever she wants. You would have what it's called a transmutation agreement. So it's basically converting community property into separate property. And yes, you can do it, but it's a big deal because one party's giving up their right. So it's usually advised that they talk to their attorney and make sure this is what they want. And
so it's doable.
It's doable, yeah, and it happens all the time. Just make sure the husband knows what he's given up.
Would that affect their mortgage payment
No.
in any way?
No. Again, like if it's being paid, usually it doesn't matter. If the wife does not make payments, it'll affect him because his credit will go down the toilet.
Right.
But you know.
But if he's agreed, then the whole process is doable.
Oh yeah, to transmute the property or change title, and for her to give it to whoever she wants. Yes, it's doable.